Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Escape oil change indicator. First, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, use the steering wheel controls to access the information display. You'll then navigate through the menus until you find the settings option. This initial step is crucial for accessing the necessary vehicle functions to complete the reset process effectively and efficiently. Once you're in the Settings menu, select Vehicle from the available options. From there, you'll see Oil Life as a choice. Selecting this will show you the current oil life percentage. This is where you can confirm the system needs a reset and prepare for the next step. It's a straightforward process to get to the right place. To perform the actual reset, press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel. Keep holding it down until the display shows that your oil life has been reset to 100%. Once you see that confirmation, you can release the button. This action tells your vehicle's computer that fresh oil has been added, and the monitoring cycle can begin anew. After resetting, turn your ignition off, then start the engine to confirm the oil change reminder light is off. If it's still on, repeat the steps. Remember, regular oil changes are vital for your engine's health and longevity. Following these steps ensures your Ford Escape's maintenance system is accurately updated, keeping your vehicle running smoothly for many miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.